if you want the best of the best must-haves for your craft room, you really need to keep watching.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
Hello, my favorite people, and welcome back. It seems like everybody has their own favorites of things that they really enjoy using when they're crafting. And I am no exception because I have some tools that have really made a difference in the crafts that I've been able to create. So today I'm going to share with you my 10 most favorite craft tools that have really made a difference and have not only elevated the crafts that I'm able to create, but they also bring me a lot of enjoyment because of the crafts that I've been able to make. And while it was really challenging to come up with only 10, I did it. I found my 10 most favorite tools. So let me share with you my top 10 of crafting tools that I love having in my craft room. All right, now I can't pick up the first one because it's a little bit large, but this is a storage cart. And I originally got this because I wanted something to sit my Cricut machine on. At one time I had a wicker box, almost kind of like a hope chest, that I had my Cricut sitting on, but it was a lot lower than my table, which I have my computer on. And the wicker chest really didn't have a lot of storage. It wasn't convenient storage. So I found this storage cart on Amazon, and the name of it is the Honeydew Storage Cart. And it is so helpful. It has 12 different drawers that hold so many of my crafting supplies, including my vinyl. And I've even named some of the drawers. Basically, the drawers that hold my vinyl, those have names on them. So I have my HTV vinyl as well as my permanent vinyl. And this gives me so much storage. It's so nice. And it's the perfect size for my cutting machine. So I can literally just open up the machine and get into Design Space and create something. And something else that I really like about this is it's on wheels. Then I can actually pull the cart forward so that way my mat and my material isn't running into the wall. So again, that is the Honeydew Storage Cart that I got from Amazon. And the number 2 item that I really think you must have in your craft room are silicone mats. Now the silicone mats are awesome because they protect your workspace no matter if you're using like glitter or glue or anything like that, especially paint. And one of my favorite things about these mats is that they're washable. So I have 2 different sizes. I have a gray one, that was my first one that I got, and it's a little bit smaller. And then I have a dark gray one. And these are so nice because they've actually saved my crafting table from when I get a little bit excited when I'm painting, which happens all the time. So the silicone mats have definitely been a game changer for me, and I really think you would like them for your craft room too. All right, now this little guy is so cute. This is a desktop vacuum. And I got this because I saw other people had it on their favorites. The one thing that's different about this one versus a lot of them that I've seen is this one actually is rechargeable. So I can plug this desktop vacuum in with a USB cord into my computer or even into my Cricut machine, and I can recharge it. So I don't have to keep replacing the batteries. And let's see, let's turn it on. Can you hear that? It's pretty powerful, and it really does a good job of picking up like the little pieces of paper or even glitter that might get on your workspace. So this is definitely something worth investing in. And it's less than $20 for the rechargeable one, which to me is like perfect. And I have to tell you, the products that I'm sharing with you, my favorites, you can find all of these on Amazon. So I will leave links in the description box below. So if you wanted to check them out for yourself, you can. And I also wanted to say, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lisa, and this is my channel. And I really love sharing different DIY projects and affordable home decor that you can create yourself. I will walk you through the process step by step so you can create some really unique and personalized projects for yourself. And if you enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. All right, on to the next craft room must-have. Okay, this thing is awesome. So you heard it right. It sounded like an airplane. This is an air gun. And this little air gun is really helpful for dusting off your workspace or getting glitter and little pieces of paper out of your cutting machine, as well as getting the dust off your keyboard for your computer. Now you can buy compressed air, but after a couple of times it gets kind of expensive. So I thought it would be smart just to get one of these air guns, because eventually I am going to end up purchasing enough compressed air that it would have paid for this. So I got this because it's really awesome and it's rechargeable, which again, very nice. I don't have to replace batteries. And you can either use it just like this, or it came with this little nozzle attachment that has a brush end, which makes it so you can really get that dust and dirt that's deep down in whatever you're trying to get rid of. So really, really cool little air compressor gun. This thing is cool. All right, now I recently got these little scissors. Aren't they adorable? They look like a stork. And I got them at the recommendation of watching other people's videos, and they said these things were fantastic. So I had to get some to try them, and they are right. These are adorable little scissors that are really, really sharp, and they work on lots of different materials. So if you're looking for a nice pair of shears or scissors, these little Stork scissors are awesome. And the one I got is actually made by Singer. So very helpful, and I use these a lot. All right, now my next item, oh my gosh, I love this thing so much. It is so cute and so perfect for your craft room. Do you see what this is? This is a tiny little chop saw. It's got a little blade and everything. And you just have to push the button down and you can chop. So you can make cuts. This works really well on the tumbling tower blocks, as well as like if you're cutting dowels or even little sticks. And it comes with the blade already attached. And you can even change the angle of what you're cutting. So you can cut something that is just straight, so that just straight cut. You can go to 10 degrees, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45 degrees. So if you wanted to make a frame, you could totally do that with this guy. They do sell this on Amazon, but I actually got mine at Harbor Freight because it was a lot cheaper. So if you have a Harbor Freight near you, go check this out. If you do any wood crafting, I think you would be really happy with this. It is awesome. And it's a perfect size to keep in my craft room. And of course, if you're doing crafts, you need a glue gun, right? And I've tried many different glue guns and they've been okay, but this glue gun has been amazing for me. So this is by Monvict. It's a Monvict glue gun. The model number is S807. And what I like about this, I think you can see the cord, it's not here. So it has a removable cord, and that means you can take it with you. It doesn't stay hot forever. It's not rechargeable, but it works really well. I have had this thing for 2 years, I think, and I've never had a problem with it. It also has 2 temperature. It has a like low and high temperature. And sometimes I will get like a little string of glue that comes out, but it's really not a big deal. The tip is perfect, and I can put either a little bit or a lot of glue on whatever project that I'm working on. And actually, to go along with that, I buy the long glue sticks on Amazon, and I buy them in a huge box. So the box of glue sticks that I have, it has lasted me a really long time. So these are awesome glue sticks. And yes, I will leave a link in the description box below, because if you buy them by the box like this, you will save a lot of money over the time that you're doing your crafting. And the glue works really well. So check them out and see what you think. Now, I know I have talked about this little tool a lot. This is a Husky nipping tool. Oh my gosh, this tool is so awesome. I can cut sticks with it, I can cut metal with it, and I use it a lot when I'm working with silk flowers because it's just perfect for working with flowers. It cuts through that metal like nothing. It's incredible. I love it. So Husky nipping tool, very handy to have. And one thing I got recently, you can't really see it, but you can see it because I'm lit up. And that is the overhead lights that I have in my craft room. So in my craft room, this was my daughter's bedroom at one time, but there's no light source like on the ceiling. So I wanted to have some lights. So I bought these lights on Amazon, and it's basically a cord with a connector for a light bulb. But I found these lights on Amazon as well. And they're LED, but you can move them around. So I can have the lights going up, I can have them coming straight. But I think you can see they actually offer a lot of light for my projects. And actually they were really affordable too. So they've worked really well. I haven't had any issues with blinking or some of the lights going out. I've been really happy with them. And it makes it nice and bright in my craft room. All right, now this last one, again, I can't show you. I don't know if you can see, I have a couple over here, a couple over there, one over here. And that is magazine racks. So I have a lot of vinyl and paper and different things that I like to keep in one place because otherwise it gets lost and it gets messed up. So I found these magazine racks and I was like, these are perfect for holding vinyl, paper, pretty much lots of different things. At one time, they even held flowers for me. So very, very helpful to have. It creates a lot of storage and it doesn't take up very much room. They're also really affordable. The first set I got a set of 3. And the second set I got another set of 3. But again, magazine racks hung up on the wall are perfect for creating some storage for your crafting. All right, there you go. Those are my 10 most favorite craft tools that I use all the time in my craft room. Did any of those products surprise you? If they did, leave me a comment down below. Or if you have a favorite craft tool that you can recommend, leave that in the comments section below. I would love to know what your favorite tools are that you use in your craft room. And I just have to say thank you. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend. Then all of us can have really well-stocked craft rooms and we can get crafting for the new year. Sounds like a plan to me. And until the next video, bye-bye for now.